Okay, today is December 7th. Again, the vehicle wasn't driven for a day. It's been sitting. It was taken from the dealer with a replaced transmission. Temperature is 36 Fahrenheit. Uh, the water, the coolant temperature was brought to operating temperature. So you can see it right there. So if you shift the gears again, so now we're right now on park. So now I'm gonna shift the gears back and forth. Here's the reverse, neutral, direct, and back. As you can see, there's no clunking noise um, between any of the gears. The only kind of interesting occurrence that I can see is that when you go from reverse to direct, you can feel the drivetrain, you know, kind of, you can feel it with your body engaging. So I don't know if that's normal. Like you can feel a little tug right there, right there. Like you can feel the tug with your body. So I'm gonna take the camera again outside and do again the same exercise. Yeah, as you can hear, there's no clunk noise whatsoever. Again, the only item that I can see that's kind of maybe a little bit of a concern is when you put in direct, you can just feel the drivetrain engaging, but you can feel it with your body pretty good. So right there, like if you go neutral to direct, you don't feel it. It's very smooth. You can still feel it, but it's very smooth. But if you go reverse to direct, you can feel like a like the movement, like the engagement of the drivetrain. There it is. Okay, so that's video number 2.